Russia is to resume flights between Moscow and the Egyptian capital of Cairo in February after more than a two-year halt. According to Egyptian Civil Aviation Ministry, Moscow and Cairo will discuss resumption of charter flights in April 2018. Moscow suspended flights to Egypt after an Islamic State bomb brought down a Russian airliner over Sinai in October 2015, killing all 224 people on board. The attack decimated Egypt's vital tourism industry. Egyptian authorities have since spent millions of dollars to upgrade security at airports, hoping to get Moscow to change its mind.